Have you ever wondered if there could be another you living in a different universe? A question that might seem straight out of a science fiction novel, but one that science has begun to ponder seriously. Welcome to the concept of parallel universes, a theory that suggests the existence of alternate realities. Consider a world where you took that job you turned down, or perhaps a world where the dinosaurs never went extinct. Every decision, every chance, every random quantum event could branch off into a new universe, creating a cosmic web of realities, each world a mirror, reflecting a different outcome, a different story. It's a mind-bending thought, isn't it? But it's an idea that's rooted in the mathematics of quantum mechanics, and the fabric of our universe itself. Just think about it for a moment. Imagine a cosmos teeming with infinite possibilities. The multiverse, a concept that has bewildered scientists and philosophers alike. Imagine, if you will, that our universe, the seemingly infinite expanse of space we live in, is not the only one. This is the central idea behind the multiverse theory. It's an idea that has been stirring the pot of scientific and philosophical discussion for years now. The multiverse theory proposes an almost unfathomable concept, that there is not just one universe but an infinite number of them. These universes are all existing simultaneously, side by side, in a higher dimensional space. We can think of each universe as a bubble, floating in an infinite cosmic ocean. Each bubble, each universe, holds its own laws of physics, its own galaxies, stars, planets, and perhaps, its own forms of life. Now let's bring this a bit closer to home. Our universe, the one we know and live in, is just one of these countless bubbles. We exist in this universe bound by its physical laws, unable to perceive or interact with the other universes. Thus, the other universes remain hidden from us, shrouded in the veil of the higher dimensional space they inhabit. But let's not stop there. The multiverse theory also suggests that each of these universes could be vastly different from one another. Some might be similar to ours, while others could be entirely alien, with physical laws and structures that are beyond our comprehension. There could be universes where time runs backwards or where gravity pushes instead of pulls. Yet, despite these differences, all these universes share one common feature. They all sprang from the same source, the same spark that ignited the Big Bang, the event that we believe gave birth to our own universe. This is the multiverse theory in its simplest form. It's a theory that pushes the boundaries of our imagination, that challenges our understanding of reality, and that opens up a whole new realm of possibilities. A mind-boggling concept, isn't it? But where did this theory originate? The birth of the multiverse theory is a fascinating tale of scientific audacity and intellectual creativity. It all started in the mind-boggling world of quantum mechanics during the mid-20th century. The story begins with a young physicist named Hugh Everett. Everett was a PhD student at Princeton University in the late 1950s, when he proposed a radical interpretation of quantum mechanics known as the many-worlds interpretation. He suggested that every time a quantum event happens, the universe splits off into numerous parallel universes to accommodate all possible outcomes. This was a daring idea in an era when the dominant interpretation of quantum mechanics was the so-called Copenhagen interpretation, which argued that quantum events don't become real until they're observed. Everett's proposal, though initially met with skepticism and even outright hostility, gradually gained traction. It offered a way to make sense of the strange, counterintuitive behavior of quantum particles without resorting to the idea that observation somehow shapes reality. It also provided a neat solution to the infamous Schrödinger's cat paradox, where a cat in a box could be both alive and dead at the same time until someone opens the box to check. According to Everett, in one universe the cat is alive, and in another, it's dead. But the multiverse theory didn't stop there. Over the years, other physicists and cosmologists have expanded on Everett's idea, proposing different types of multiverses. Some suggest that our universe is just one bubble in a cosmic foam of infinite universes, each with its own laws of physics. Others propose that there are parallel universes existing in higher dimensions that we can't perceive. So, from a daring proposal by a young physicist at Princeton, to a field of study that's pushing the boundaries of our understanding of reality, the multiverse theory has come a long way. It's a testament to the power of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. From then on, the multiverse theory became a fascinating field of study. Quantum mechanics plays a crucial role in understanding the multiverse. It's the bedrock upon which this grand idea stands. But what is it really about quantum mechanics that lends itself so well to the multiverse theory? Quantum mechanics is a branch of physics that describes how the smallest particles in the universe behave. It's a world where things can be in two places at once, where particles can pop in and out of existence, and where nothing is certain until it's observed. One of the most mind-bending principles of quantum mechanics is the concept of superposition. This is the idea that a particle can exist in multiple states at the same time until it's observed. An electron, for instance, can be spinning both up and down simultaneously. It's only when we make an observation, that the electron chooses one state. Now extend this idea to the entire universe, to every particle, every decision, every event. Every time there's more than one possible outcome, every time a decision is made or an observation occurs, the universe splits. This leads to the creation of multiple universes, each representing a different outcome. This is the core of the multiverse theory. So in one universe, you decided to watch this video. In another, you chose to do something else. In one universe, a particle moved left. In another, it moved right. The multiverse is a sea of infinite possibilities, all existing simultaneously. This is not just a product of wild imagination, but a serious scientific proposal. It provides a way to explain some of the most puzzling aspects of quantum mechanics, like the collapse of the wave function or the measurement problem. It's a bold, beautiful, and somewhat terrifying idea, but it's one that is grounded in our best understanding of the quantum world. Quantum mechanics provides the key to unlock the mysteries of the multiverse. It's a looking glass into a world of infinite possibilities, a world where everything that can happen does happen somewhere in the multiverse. What does the existence of a multiverse imply? This is a question that has fascinated and perplexed philosophers and scientists alike. Let's dive into the possible implications of a multiverse. First, we'll address the philosophical implications. The concept of a multiverse, where an infinite number of realities exist simultaneously, can challenge our understanding of free will. If there are countless versions of you making different choices in different universes, does that mean our choices are predetermined? Or do we have true freedom to shape our destiny? The answer isn't clear-cut, and these questions continue to fuel philosophical debates. Next, let's consider the scientific implications. The existence of a multiverse could potentially upend our current understanding of physics. In a multiverse, the laws of physics might not be universal. They could vary from one universe to another. This could mean that what we perceive as fundamental physical constants might only be local phenomena, unique to our own universe. Furthermore, the multiverse theory has profound implications for the nature of reality itself. If a multiverse exists, our universe is just one of an infinite number of realities. This could mean that our universe, which we once thought was everything, is just a small part of a much larger, more complex multiverse. This realization could fundamentally alter how we perceive our place in the cosmos. Finally, the multiverse theory raises questions about the possibility of communication or interaction between these different universes. If such interaction is possible, it could open up new frontiers for scientific exploration. It's a tantalizing prospect, but one that remains largely theoretical for now. In conclusion, the multiverse theory has far-reaching implications that extend beyond the realm of science, into philosophy, and our understanding of reality. It's a theory that pushes the boundaries of our knowledge, forcing us to question and reconsider many of our most fundamental assumptions. The multiverse theory challenges our understanding of reality, and perhaps in the process it also expands our capacity for wonder and imagination. In a multiverse, anything that can happen, does happen. Imagine the possibilities that this concept presents. Every decision we make, every path we choose, could potentially spawn an alternate universe where the opposite choice was made. Imagine waking up every day to a reality that could be one of countless others, each unique in its own right. This isn't just about deciding between coffee or tea in the morning. It's about the life-altering decisions we make, the roads less traveled, the chances taken or missed. It's a concept that's mind-boggling yet fascinating. It challenges our understanding of reality, pushing us to question the very fabric of our existence. It suggests that our lives, our world, are part of a much larger, infinitely complex system. In the grand scheme of the multiverse, we might be but one thread in an infinite tapestry of realities. So, what have we learned about the multiverse theory? We've delved into its birth, rooted in the enigmatic realm of quantum mechanics. We've explored its implications, stretching our understanding of reality, and challenging the limitations of our imagination. We've contemplated the infinite possibilities that it presents, each one a unique universe with its own laws. The multiverse theory, a concept that opens up infinite possibilities and yet remains one of the greatest mysteries of our existence.